Alright, so before you order this motherboard from me, and maybe any motherboard like it from somebody else, you see which one it is. K7SEM. Okay, I've unplugged everything except for the power switch. That's my power switch. You have, I forget now already. Okay, 2512 megabytes. So that's 1 gigabyte of RAM. That might be my problem. Don't know yet. Figure that out in a minute. So you got 1 gigabyte of RAM. And I think that is the actual maximum 1 gigabyte. I've got my power connected. I've got the fan and CPU. I mean, everything's together here, and it's ready to go. I've got just video. Got my keyboard and mouse connected. Now, I want to show you what happens when I turn it on. For now, the blinking light on my monitor shows that nothing's going to it. But now we do have something, so we hit delete and we go to the CMOS. We can go here and go to load failsafe, enter, and tell it yes, and enter. And then we can exit, save and exit, yes, everything's good, and it will reboot. Here it comes for a moment, and I can hit delete and go to there again. Let's say we're going to change the date and time. It won't let me do it for very long. It's been stopping me. Oh, I was able to do the date. Yay. Let's just throw a time on there. It doesn't matter what it is. And let's save that. F10 for save. Oh, yep, it stopped. The fans haven't stopped, but everything is frozen again. Now, so I turn it off. If I can find my button, there it is. I'll turn it off. So what I want to show you is that while it is running and you're not getting anything on the screen, it's waiting. That means it's not going to boot because it has a problem. It has a problem in the CMOS. So you're going to stop the computer. You're going to go right here and move this over. You see it's on pins 1 and 2. You need to cover 2 and 3. If you can get your hands on it. Cross it over to pins 2 and 3. So after you get the jumper on, you press the start button, hold it in for about 3 seconds, let it go, and then you move the jumper back. After you have the jumper put in the right spot on pins 1 and 2, you restart the computer. Look over at the screen, watch it come on. The light stays on steady, so you now have the screen coming back on. And then you press your delete button to go to the CMOS and run your setup.